Hi there, it's Tracy Lizotte here to share with you what we're going to create in this month's Painting of the Month called Duck on the Edge, featuring an adorable but slightly anxious duck, nervous about stepping off his rock and into the water. In this watercolor course, I'm going to guide you step by step, starting with the drawing. I'll show you how to create a duck full of personality by combining two reference photos with a bit of imagination. And if drawing isn't your favorite part, don't worry. I've included a downloadable outline to make things easier. Next, you'll learn my painting strategy for bringing this painting to life. You'll learn a simple and fun way to paint sparkling water, how to create the texture of a realistic rock, and how to capture the expression of a very apprehensive duck. Now, because this is the painting of the month, it's only available for 1 month. So if you would like to paint Duck on the Edge, now is your time to enroll. Because on the last day of this month, this course will disappear and won't be available again for years. And that also includes all memberships in my Art Academy. If you're a member in the DW Studio or Academy, be sure to complete this project before the end of the month because it's going to disappear from there as well. So I hope you give this course a try. Every watercolor requires a different watercolor strategy, and this one's packed full of insights you're going to be able to use for many years to come.